Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, like and share. When you are doing the reverse fly, so you work the muscle in your upper back and shoulder region. A strong upper back muscle help balance your shoulder strength and help protect your shoulder from injury. In this exercise we will do 3 sets of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15-second rest as usual. You're targeting the main muscle on the upper back of your shoulder by performing this exercise. And also when you bend over, you targeting your abdominal muscle. It's also an ab workout at a certain level. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15-second rest again, and we'll move toward the third reps of 15 repetition. This exercise can help you open up your chest muscle too. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't get weight that is too heavy so you don't prevent yourself from doing this exercise the proper way. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share, and see you on the next video. Bye. Peace out, and make sure you comment so I can have your feedback on what you think about the video.